Alright, quick video guys. My air hose, it started to rip and finally air was shooting out of it, so I went and cut it off. And I wasn't sure if they have anything to fix this, so I went up to Harbor Freight, picked up this little kit, 3/8 hose barb to 1/4 male hose end. Now this is supposed to be a repair kit. It's the only one they really had. I asked the guy if they had any other types that were better or anything. They didn't have anything else, so that's what I got. It says used to repair 3/8 air hose. So I'm guessing it looks pretty self-explanatory. Thing just goes on the end here. Fits on kind of loose. It's really not that tight. And then you just clamp it down. So yeah, it's really not that tight. But I figured I'd make a quick video on this since I wasn't sure if it's repairable. The original, you can see it's crimped on. So we'll have to see how this does. The diagram, it shows it right at the end. Now this is not ideal. I wouldn't want to use this for like a painting hose. I'll probably replace it, but I have a separate hose I use for painting because I think this is sharp, you know, it'd be easy to scratch your panel. But I didn't feel like buying a whole new hose and taking that thing off and unbolting it, so I just got this little kit that hopefully works. It doesn't keep shooting air out. Alright, got our new fitting too. So it goes on this way, so you want the end to go that way. I mean the tape. Let me wrap this up real quick. Real quick or real slow? Because I can't stand hearing the stupid air hose leaking when I'm working. It's so annoying. Alright. Plug this on, see if it holds the air. Alright, let's plug this in. Alright, success. I don't hear anything. I don't know guys, quick video. That's how you repair a hose. Toss that in the trash. I think it was a couple bucks for that. I don't remember the exact price. Harbor Freight. I'm sure you can buy these online anywhere. Item 68211. Yeah. $3 for this, $4 for this. Anyways, that's a quick fix. It worked. No air. I can't hear any air on it, so it's all good.